here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys my first Jimmy Choo heels unboxing video. Honestly speaking, I never thought that I would invest in a pair of branded heels, but I actually bought it at a discounted price and I find the design is very classy. It's a design that I can carry throughout 4 seasons, so let's unbox it now. I actually thought about it many times before buying it, but when I saw it, I know that it's a love at first sight. So ta-da! This is my first pair of Jimmy Choo heels. I really like the gold color and I find it's very classy. So let's style it now. Okay, so this is my first look. I'm matching the heels with a comfortable dress and I'm ready to go to work. Alright, so I'm in my second outfit of the day. I'm matching this ripped jeans with a simple pair of t-shirt. Very casual and very my style. And this is my last look of the day. I'm matching these nice gold heels with a nice gold sateen dress. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next sharing.